Well, we're back in it again, everybody. We are back into MyVoiceZoo. Uh, I did not think that I was funny, but apparently some people thought it was funny. We're gonna go ahead and try and finish out this game in part 2. So let's get started, shall we, everybody? Alright, we have like half of a list to go through, so I think this is good enough. Since when is a nose also a hand? Guys, what noise am I? What am I gonna say? Oh my god. Oh my god. I could say oh wait. Elephant. Okay. Because he's panting. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, click it and we'll move it. Yeah, okay. Next. Who do we have next? One yawn and you'd think it could swallow a car. Oh, I'm an expert at this. I keep yawning in my hippopotamus. Damn, his face looked like a good pair of cheeks. You know what I'm saying? It's got that nice curvature, like right there, like whoop. Yeah. Hippobottoms. Hippobottom jeans. What's the other part? Oh god. Oh, okay. Hippobottom jeans, boots with the fur. Hippobottom jeans, boots with the... I didn't catch that last word. Okay, let's see if I can say faster. Hippobottom jeans, boots with the fur. Okay, did I get it? Hippobottom jeans, boots with the fur. Yes, I got it. If nobody understands that reference, damn, I'm old. But okay, let's go. Next, cute in cartoons, but reality's not so cuddly. Cute in cartoons, but reality is not so cuddly. Oh, is it a bear? Oh, but he's such a cute little bear. Look at him. He's so round. What am I gonna call him? Rotundo. Hi, I'm a bear. Hi, I'm a bear. What am I doing? I'm a bear. I don't know which one's my favorite. Hippobottom jeans, boots with the fur. What is this one? Rawr. Oh. Oh, you know. I'm bald. Guys, I'm sorry. You know, I I'm Peter. Hi, I'm Peter. Oh, sorry. I know I shouldn't find myself funny, but I genuinely didn't think I was. Okay, let's just continue. All right, now that I have enough, seems to think stripes alone make it invisible to the forest. Oh boy. Um. Oh, what am I gonna name you? Sugar Rush. How do you say the catch line? They're great. Why did I sound Russian? I sounded Russian. I'm trying to do the you know that not Kellogg's. What's it called? Captain Crunch? No, not Captain Crunch. Frosted Flakes. How about I call you Frosted? Frosty? Frosted Flakes. Flakes. Frosted Flakes. And then he says, they're great. Sure. It's a Count Dracula. It's a Count Dracula tiger. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. Who's next? Beating his chest like that. Guess something's bothering it. Oh no, it's a gorilla. Why does the gorilla looks weird, man. The gorilla looks weird. My cousin. Wait, can I put my cousin Vinny? Yes, I can. The amount of references I put into this. I hope you guys get them. Anyway, record the voice. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make sense. My cousin Vinny, where was he from? Was he from what's that place called? New York City? What's that place called? Was my cousin Vinny from New York City? Hey, I'm walking here. Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's what my lore is, okay? This is my zoo. You guys can stop judging me. I'm bald. I don't know who I like the most. Hi, I'm a bear. He's so cute. They're great. Oh man. Yeah. Hey, I'm walking here. Hippopotam jeans, boots with the fur. Oh my god, I'm giving myself a headache. Okay. Who's next? What is this? Looks like it thinks cuteness solves everything. Oh, a little panda. What does a panda sound like? A panda sounds like he's munching on stuff. But I don't have anything here to like bite into. Wait. Hold on. I have a bag of salt next to me. I could do this. Do it crunch. Miggy. How do you spell McGee? McGee? McGee. Mackie. Crunch McGee. Okay. Okay, next. Well, how much until the next one? Okay, 6,700. So slow, unbelievably, impossibly slow. Oh, it's a slow. It's a sloth. What kind of sound does a sloth make, guys? Oh, I'm a bear. They're great. I'm a bear. I kind of want to hear them all in one place together. Hold on. This is gonna be chaotic. Okay. You guys got ASMR for free. Okay, you got ASMR for free. I should be charging on my Patreon for some ASMR. Amazing ASMR. I'm gonna regret doing this. Okay. Alright. Sloth. What does a sloth say? What is your name, sir? What is your name? What do you call those people for like 911? 911. Oh. 911 operator. Hold on, there's so many different ones I could give this person. I'm laughing already at my joke. There's so many different ones. Oh, it's either a 911 operator or like damn. Okay, you know what? I don't know if I could do this in 3 seconds though. Run for I was supposed to say run for your life, but it's too long. That is so funny. Run for... What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Okay, I think that hit. What did you say? Or, what's your emergency? What's your emergency? I can't. Okay, well, no, let's do it again. I don't like them getting cut off. What's your emergency? I got cut off again. What's your emergency? Okay, I think that one got it. What's your emergency? Oh no, it still got cut off. It's too long. What else? Okay. Why'd you call? Why'd you call? Do you think I could say why'd you call 911? Why'd you call 911? Oh no. Why'd you call me? Why'd you call me? Oh god. Okay, continuing on. Who is this? The secret to that smooth skin, natural hydration, of course. Oh, it's a little frog. Oh, I could do this. Rubbish. Rubbish? Wait, how do you say ribbit? 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 I want to say rubbish though. Rubbish? 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 Okay. Rubbish? 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 Okay, we're gonna go with it. It's fine. Rubbish? Rubbish? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Continuing on. It spins its tail like a helicopter and never gets tired.
Hey, I'm walking here.
It's a little dog. Wait, what am I gonna name you, little puppy? What am I gonna make you sound like? What am I gonna make you sound like? Okay. Okay, wait. I'm planning, I'm plotting. What does he say usually? What does he say? What does... I'm planning... No, okay, never mind. What am I gonna make you sound like? How do you... Boof! 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 I like the first one. Me. Boof! 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 Okay, done. It's fine. Okay, let me move you. I like how he's right next to the tent, but we're gonna put you next to the... Oh my god. This is not even all of them. It's chaos. It's chaos.
I'm walking here.
Just in the background. Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Okay, we need to walk away from that. No, not that way either. Okay, let's stay right here where it's nice and quiet. Okay. What am I doing? It's a cat next. Adorable, but sometimes it looks suspiciously like liquid. Oh, he's so cute. I'm going to call you Samuel. Samuel Jackson. I'll call you Samuel Jackson. What's his commercial? What? No, let's be nice. I don't know how to purr. Oh no. There's no the voices, the things that's coming out of my mouth right now are not purrs. How do you oh. Oh my god. Okay. Can you curse in this? I could curse, but I don't wanna, because Samuel Jackson is a cursor. Okay, you know what? Let's change your name. Let's not give you an incredibly mean... I'm gonna call you Maddie. Master B. No. This is what I look like when I was making the name for my channel. Jorge. Let's name you Jorge. Okay. Jorge. But his name is George, but you pronounce it Jorge. Mi amigo, hola. Mi amigo, hola. Oops, sorry. Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está? Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está? Why is he in the Sahara? Okay, anyway, continuing on. Oh my god. A rabbit? What do rabbits sound like? He has this maniacal look in his eyes, though. Innocence. I am going to kill your family. I am going to kill your family. I am going to. Hi, I'm Peter. I am going to kill your family. How about? I kind of want to change it. I'm going to kill your family. Oh wait, how do I? Let's go. I kind of want to change it. Kill your family. Re-recording takes $1,000. Fine. Innocence. What am I gonna say? How do you? I need to hone in with my inner child. I need to become one with my inner child. They need to have like this incredibly innocent voice. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, okay. Okay. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Okay, sure. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Oh my god. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Carrying its home on its back must be comforting wherever it goes. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. Oh my god. Wait. There is a sound I want to do for this. How do you do that one noise? Do you know that one noise? Hold on. Turtle noises. I don't know if I can do this. Sussy tie. Turtle. Ah. 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 We're just gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna leave it at that. Okay, we have, how many more do we have? We have 4 more. Holy peanut butter. How much is this one? 16? Oh, okay. Let's go and find. Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here. Why'd you? Is there a run option in this game? Do I have any more animals? Aha. Rubbish? Call me.
Hey, I'm walking here.
My God, it's just my noises. Boots with the fur. Hippo bottom jeans.
Hippo bottom jeans.
Boots with the fur. Dun 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 dun. I don't sound like a human being. I don't sound like a human being. Okay, alright. Let's go and check out this one. Runs and runs, as if that's the only answer it knows. What is this? A horse? But he looks so cool. Damn, what noise am I gonna give you? Let me take a sip out of my tea. Oh no, my tea is cold. Peanut butter and jelly. What noise? Oh, hey boy. What do you look like when you open your mouth? I just want to see what he looks like when he opens his mouth. I just want to see what he looks like. Okay. Hey boy. Hey boy. We're just gonna go with that. We're gonna fly with that one. It's fine. It's fine. Continuing on, we have a cow, the true soul of any breakfast cereal, right here. Okay. Cool. Are there any upgrades I can get? Reindeer enthusiast. You make all of them sound like a reindeer. The frog cries, the cat cries. What was my cat cry? I forgot what my cat cry was. Oh God. Animals placed here may sound a little different. Jungle chorus map. One by one from left to right. At the camp singing chaos. Okay, let's wait until we hit that one. Okay, the true soul of any breakfast cereal. Moozy. Moo. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, he's cute. I like cows. They're cute. But we're gonna carry and drag you.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Sorry, I got lost listening to myself there for a second. If you hate listening to your own voice, this is the worst game for you.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Okay, let's see. 2 more. Stuffing its cheeks full, yet somehow it's still looking for more space. 21. How about the other one? A snail? How the heck? What kind of noise does a snail make? I don't know. I don't even know what a snail sounds like. Probably sounds like a little squishy squish, you know what I'm saying? Like a little wet thing. Like a little... I don't wanna... Oh my god. This is terrifying.
Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está?
I forgot I made my cat
Mi
Spanish.
amigo, hola, ¿dónde está? Hey, I'm walking here. Hola.
You know, I kind of want to be like... I kind of want to re-record it and ask where the biblioteca is. ¿Dónde está biblioteca? Okay. All right. I think.
boy.
Hey, boy.
Hey, boy. Hola, ¿dónde está? Hey, I'm walking here. Mi amigo.
That's giving me anxiety. Okay. So, hamster. What am I? If I had a really low voice, this would be really funny, but I don't. Hooters. What am I gonna name you? Chubby cheeks. No. Let's give him a tough name. Well, let's give him Stevie Jones. How is that a tough name? The ham. I'm gonna bring you down. I'm gonna bring you down. What? He's a wrestler. Okay. I'm gonna bring you down. He's a wrestler. That's the lore. That's the lore. Okay. They told him that size didn't matter. He entered into the Nacho Libre.
Mi amigo, hola.
The Nacho Libre tournaments. He forgot his mask, and he's very tiny. But he didn't forget.
Lynn likes toes. Lynn likes toes.
He didn't forget his food and his cheeks. I'm bald. Can I? Last one? Last one. What am I gonna give you, bro? Salmonella. I'm so sorry.
I'm Peter.
I'm so sorry.
Peter. For hey, I'm walking. Hi, I'm Peter.
Okay, alright. I have all of the animals.
I'm Peter.
What is the duck noise again?
Peter. I'm Peter.
No. Oh, she's so cute though. Look at her. Relax, relax.
Hi, I'm Peter.
Oh my god. Ooh, cool. Alright, let me pick and choose. Let's do the sussy turtle. Okay, sussy turtle.
For I have sinned.
Okay. And we're gonna do the pants. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do. Okay, sneaky fox. Okay. 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 Put you here. I'll put you here. There is no way. What the heck? Okay, wait. Let's get the one where they from right to left. Oh no, they're so far away. I want to take the same animals over there. Okay, fine. It's fine. Oh, guys, you know what? Wait, let's do one thing. Echo Cave. Okay, let's open up Echo Cave. Who am I gonna bring there? Let's take our favorite little parrot. Where is he? Oh no, I have him down here. Nope, not that one, this one.
Lynn likes toes. Lynn likes toes.
Lynn likes toes. Lynn likes toes.
Oh my god.
Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está?
Uh-huh.
Lynn likes toes. Lynn likes toes. Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está? Lynn likes toes.
Oh my god, I cannot.
Hey, I'm walking here.
Likes toes. Lynn likes toes. Mi amigo, hola, ¿dónde está? Lynn likes toes.
Wait, okay. Next, unlock this one.
Hey, boy.
Alright.
Hippopotamus.
Oh my god. Can I just why? They're great. They're great. They're great. No, where did my rubbish go? They're great. What made you call there? No. There.
Quack, 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 quack. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish.
Rawr. This is scratching a certain kind of itch in my brain. Hold on. 2 on the left and 3 on the right. They sing in groups. Okay. You know, let's come here, Peter.
I'm Peter.
You sing here. I'm gonna re-record them. Hamster. Okay. I just need. Call me. Why'd you call me? Snorkel is so funny. Just so you guys know, that's how I sound like when I actually do snore. And then we'll take. I'm bald. Okay. Alright. Now, it says here that they play. Let's see how it works. I'm bald. Okay. How about let's try one experiment. Let's do the eagle, right? Let's re-record the eagle. Let's go. Okay. Confirm. Let's re-record the walrus. Confirm. Then let's try. Okay. It's not bad. Who's on the other side? We have Peter the penguin. Let's do. Okay, confirm. Then we have Hamster the ham. I like ham. Okay. And then we have the sloth. Who goes. Okay, let's see. I like ham. I like ham. Oh, that is so funny. Okay. Hey, boy. Okay. So this goes from left to right. What is how fast does it play? Okay. Okay. So I lost my nose.
Hey,
Re-record this. How about let's do I lost my nose. Okay. Confirm. Then we're gonna do a rhinoceros. I have a nose. Okay. Then we're gonna do Hooters here. Hooters is I don't have a nose. Okay. And then with Hey Boy, I think we're gonna keep Hey Boy the same. Hey Boy. No, actually. Hey Boy, I have a nose. Oh, wait. Hey Boy, I got a nose job. I have a nose job. Or I bought my nose. Then the goat, what's the goat gonna say? The goat, where's the goat? Ah, the goat is gonna say, I love the way that I am. I lost my nose. I have a nose. I don't have a nose. I bought my nose. I love the way that I am. Man, why am I so stupid? Anyway, is that everything? Did I buy everything in the game? Okay, I've purchased everything. Okay, I already have all of those. Okay, you know what, guys? I think that's pretty much it. That kind of wraps up this entire video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, even if it was just a little bit. I have no idea what I did. To be perfectly honest, I have no idea what I did. But hey, if you had fun watching, click that like button down below. If you want more content from me, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.